Hey everyone, and welcome to Gutty's Kitchen. Today, I'm not bringing you just any cookie, I'm bringing you some super cookies. Oatmeal with nuts and dried fruits, packed with energy, nutritious, and healthy. For these cookies, we're going to need 160 grams of oats, 40 grams of peanuts, 40 grams of almonds, 40 grams of pecans, 40 grams of dried cranberries, 40 grams of raisins, 60 grams of flour, 90 grams of muscovado sugar, a pinch of salt, 60 milliliters of milk, and 1 egg. Chef's tip: if you want a vegan version, just swap the milk for water and don't add the egg. There you go, it couldn't be easier. First, let's rehydrate the dried fruits, the cranberries and raisins, in water for about 10 minutes. This will make them nice and juicy in the cookie. Next, we'll chop the almonds and pecans. As you can see, the cut is very rustic. We want to feel those little chunks in the cookies. Put them in a bowl. Now, we'll mix the oats. You can blend them if you want a finer texture. The flour, the sugar, the peanuts, and the pinch of salt. We'll add the milk and the egg and mix everything together well. Finally, we'll add the rehydrated dried fruits and mix everything with love. Wow! And here's another tip. If you have some cinnamon at home, add a little bit. It gives the dough an amazing aroma. On a baking sheet with parchment paper, we'll use an ice cream scoop to form the dough balls and place them on the sheet. To make them a bit prettier, we'll gently flatten them with some parchment paper. Another chef's trick: if you save a few nuts and place them on top, you'll have a presentation worthy of a bakery window. We'll bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And enjoy the incredible aroma that's starting to fill the kitchen. And look at these, everyone! What a beautiful batch of oatmeal cookies we've made! They're crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and have that nutty touch that makes them irresistible. Oh my God! This is the perfect snack to recharge and treat yourself at the same time. You know you can play with the ingredients. Swap out the nuts for pistachios or the raisins for chocolate chips. The magic is in making them your own. Now, let's have a taste. So good! Everyone, if you loved this recipe as much as I do, don't forget to give this video a like, share it, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you all very soon. Bye-bye!